welcome to Lash with me, where I bring you along so that you can watch me lash. So in today's video, I'm doing a fill, and I'm just taping back the lashes and banana peeling any of the eyelashes that are outgrown. So today we're doing a volume fill, and I'm using really pretty lashes, easy fan trays, and in 0.05 DD curl. For this lash fill, I did prep and prime the lashes with the I'm Bananas pre-treatment, and it smells like bananas. It smells really good. And then for the glue, I did go in with Volume Babe. So I do hate to compare the glue to anything else, but I do feel like it is almost exact to Lashbox LA Superhero. So if you need something to reference it to and something to compare it to, that is the glue that I'm working with. Let's dry in 0.05 seconds, which is something I need. I like my glue to dry really, really quick. And then the lasting, the retention is really good on this glue from what I've seen. While I was doing this set, I tried really, really hard to let you see me make a lot of the fans, which these are easy fans. You still need technique. Like, I can't stress it enough that if you do purchase easy fans, don't think they're just gonna like open and blossom for you. What I like about these is that they do open up really nicely, really easily. So that's a plus. And yeah, like I said, I did try to put in frame me actually doing the pinching, so I'm sorry if I didn't get to that, but on the next video that's going to be my goal. I do have two cameras, so I maybe will try to focus on both so you guys can see the whole thing. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by, and if you like the video, go ahead and subscribe for more content like this. Also like the video because it does help me out a lot. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Just kidding, I'm back, guys. So I just quickly wanted to get on here and explain to you what I'm using. I've been using Lashbox LA Bonder. Yeah, LBLA Bond. Oh my gosh, that's like a mouthful. But yeah, so what I do is I take only one micro swab, I dab it, and then as you can see, I dab off the excess, and then I go in and just slightly run over the top of the lashes. I see a lot of people go under, but I don't see a reason. I feel like I've tested it and I've seen like you can actually see the glossy of the glue turn matte. So I feel like this product works really good and at least helps cure. And I've been having an okay retention with it, so I will be testing it out some more and let you guys know more ahead. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.